Well, participants, we have done 112 classes up till now, and this is the last class of this year 2020, because today is 21st and we are to begin our classes just after 2-3 days in the new year. And I hope today I am offering all my wishes to you all for your success in all areas. You say, in the new year we are to start our discussion with new spirit, with new objectives, with new dynamism. Friends, we were discussing about the process of learning, and in the last class we discussed about the definitions of learning. Today, here in this class, we are to discuss about the nature of learning, and by understanding the spatial nature of learning, we certainly will be understand or make our concept concerning or relating to learning very clear. Let us start or let us begin our class today. Friends, learning is a very systematic and scientific process, and this process has specific role in the process of development of the psychic order of the organisms. With the help of the process of learning, personalities are formed. Thus, learning is one of the most important processes of personality formation. This S is to be deleted because at the time of saving the contents of the slide, this S has been placed here. You are to negate the presence of the S. Friends, learning is one of the most important processes, and this process is very psychological, and learning is a very scientific process. And with the help of the process of learning, human organisms get the chance to develop all the mental capabilities or the psychic potentialities, and human organisms get the chance to form their personalities according to the needs of own psychic order as well as own physiology, by considering the demand of sense time and the place of life in the society. Let us see the next slide. Senses help to acquire external experiences. We have 5 sense organs: the nose, the eyes, the tongue, the skin. You see the nose, the eyes, the nose, the eyes, the ears, the tongue, and the skin. These are the 5 sense organs of the human body. And with the help of the senses means we acquire external experiences. On the other hand, the internal organs mean those organs which help to show physical reactions as a result of the effect of physical powers, help to acquire internal experiences. The internal organs of our bodies show certain specific reactions against certain physical and chemical reactions which help to manifest behaviors. Due to such reaction, changes occur in the behavior of organisms and learning takes place. So hence, learning, for understanding learning, we are to understand psychology so much well. And for understanding psychology, we are to understand human mental capabilities are functioning so much well. And for doing so, we are to understand the specialities or the spatial functions of human anatomy, because if there is mind, that is, it is inside the human body, and without having proper knowledge relating to human anatomy or body, we never can have the idea of human mind and the mental properties, and without having idea concerning to mental properties, on the spatial characteristics of human anatomy, we never can understand learning so much well, because in the process of learning, the basic roles are played by the anatomy or the physiology, and the other, you see, other most important roles are played by human mental capabilities or the power of human brain. Let us see the next slide. Learning is also dependent upon one's innate intelligence, and this is mental property, and other psychophysical capacities which are totally psychic properties. It is on the basis of hereditary endowment, means genetically transmitted, that one can learn different types of activities and develop behavioral patterns. Thus, the basis of learning is individuals' innate and inherited capacities, including intelligence and temperament and the mental capabilities. Means the basic roles in the process of learning are played by the mental capabilities or the brain capabilities, which are basically genetically transmitted from one generation to the next one. Let us go back to the fourth slide. Learning is related to psychophysical maturation. Unless until maturation takes place, satisfactory learning is not possible. So friends, learning and maturation have close relationship. Psychophysical maturity of the individual is an important condition in learning new tasks or new events. So friends, maturation or maturity from physical side, maturation or maturity from mental parameter, these have special importance or significance in the process of learning, because learning basically depends on the exercise or the functions of human anatomy or body. At the same time, the functions of different capabilities or qualities of human mind which remains present in human brain. Let us see the fifth slide. Learning is also regarded as a function of practice of learner, because practice makes man perfect. Practice does not simply mean repeating its response for several times. It is a repeated effort of an individual to react to a situation effectively unless perfection. Practice helps to drop out awkward, unrealistic, and unnecessary responses and leads to improvement in learning for better results in behavior. And that's why it is said, practice makes man perfect. Means for perfection, there is the demand or necessity of repetition of the same sequence or of the same learning situation without creating boredomness, without creating fatigue in our psychic order. Let us see this next slide. Psychologists are of the opinion that learning involves perceptual operation. Perception depends on the functions of the sense organs. In the learning context refers to the acquisition of specific knowledge about objects directly stimulating the senses at any particular movement or movements in life. In perception, objects are seen or interpreted in the light of pertinent experience from the past, and new ideas are generated. And in the process of perception, the most important roles or the basic roles are played by the sense organs of human physiology. And as the senses of physical organs, therefore, and the vital as well as primary roles in the process of learning are performed by the senses, learning from this basic standpoint is totally physical. And you see, mental functions influence the process in later stage, in the stage of maturation or in the stage of purification of the process of learning situation or sequence. Let us see the second slide. Learning involves motor processes of human and animal body. These are the motor processes we can move, which include habits, information, on effective elements such as emotion. Learning is not possible without the basic minimum ability needed to learn a task or an event. Natural mental endowment or inherited mental endowment or genetically transmitted mental capabilities can't be fully utilized without proper facilities for education. Learning helps us to acquire new form of behavior for the formation of personality and for imparting education, for becoming successful in the process of, in the sector of education. Our knowledge relating to learning should be, or relating to the process of learning should be quite scientific, quite clear. So friends, relating to nature of learning, these months after this, we have to explain these characteristics of the process of learning, and you are to see all these means the explanations of the 7 slides, contents of the 7 slides in the form of nature of explanations, in the form of or for explaining the nature of learning. And by understanding the nature of learning, you can explain, I hope you can, or you will certainly be able to explain the concept of learning in proper way, and you will certainly be able to take part in the process of teaching, the primary objective of which is learning of the learners, in successful way, in scientific way, in systematic way. So friends, this much for today, and today is the last day of the year, and I hope your preparation for any type of future activities or future exercises, maybe for appearing at the TET examination, maybe appearing different types of examinations. Your future preparation will be quite systematic, and you will certainly study different contents concerning to the explanations of the slides of 112 classes which have been taken by me within 4 months during the time of lockdown because of COVID-19. And we are to continue our discussions on all important areas of education are to be consulted for your better health or your health. Thank you so much. Wish you all success in the new year, that is 2020. Thank you so much.